Welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur and I have Swara and Preeti with me today for a game of word chain. So you guys are well aware by now what word chain is. So are you guys, right?
Yes.
Okay. So are you guys ready for the word chain? Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Let me show them their words for today. Alright. Your first word is rising.
Sun.
Perfect. Smart Swara. Immediately. Sun. Okay. What is the next one? Sun.
Sun.
This is very easy, guys. Come on. A very common word, huh?
What?
Facing. Good one, but no. Acing. Oh, yeah. No. But then no. The number of letters are correct, but it's not facing. No.
Sun.
Come on. Think of it.
Flying.
Sun doesn't fly, Swara. Oh, God.
A sun flies into the sky to go up. No.
I mean, that's how it looks to us, but then it obviously doesn't fly for real. Okay, go, come on. Another one. Flying is not correct. No. Hey guys, come on, yeah. Okay, you want me to give you a clue?
Sun. Yes.
Clue. Okay, this smells really nice.
Fantastic.
No, fantastic. I mean, are there that many dashes there? No, it's not fantastic. Okay, this is something that grows facing the sun.
Flower.
Sunflower. It is.
Eh.
Oh God. Facing, flying, and then.
I was going to say
flying.
frying.
Thank God. She said use a flower before that. Okay.
Bud.
Flower, bud. No, bud is also a very good answer. Not what I'm looking for.
Flower. Bed.
Yes.
Oh.
Bed it is. Perfect. Okay, bed. Okay, nice. What could be the next one? Bed?
Rim.
No,
when
it's
is
a
rim?
four-letter word.
Rim is like the
Edge of the
Edge.
bed. Yeah. But then no. It's a four-letter word. So
Bed.
is three. Come on. Think.
Bedroom.
Bedroom. That is also a nice answer. No. But that won't connect in the word chain here. No. So bedroom is also not right.
bed.
Come on. Try. Give me one more try. If you don't get it, I'll give you a clue. Come on.
Bed ride.
Could you be? No, it's not bed right. Okay. This word is another word for stone.
Rock.
Bedrock. It is.
Bedrock.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, you guys wouldn't have seen Flintstones. There
No.
was a cartoon Flintstones.
Yeah.
Yes. So you will hear the mention of this very frequently there. Bedrock. Okay. What is the next one?
Rock salt.
Very nice, huh? Good ideas I'm getting for the next chain, but no.
Sack.
No, not sack either.
Rock. Rock.
Come on, guys, this is simple. Okay. Let me.
Rock some. 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 Rock some.
No, rock some. No, we can't rock some.
Like awesome. Rock some.
No,
Rock.
not like rock some. What is that? Come on.
Rockstar.
Rockstar. You actually did that. That's
Preeti,
exactly
thank you,
what it
Preeti. We
is.
got a point because
Rockstar.
of you only, Preeti.
Okay, the next one is so easy.
Star.
Come on, guys. I know you know this, right?
Huh?
Star what?
Star. Fire.
Really? Okay, you got the second letter also right with fire, but no, it's not fire.
Star.
Found in the waters.
Fish. Starfish.
Oh, guys.
Fish tail. Fish tail.
Fish
Tail.
No.
What? Fish tat.
Huh?
Fish tat.
No. Wrong.
Fish.
You can see a lot of fishes inside this.
Fish tank.
Tank it is. When you said tack, I was like, tank? Did you just say tack? That's why I asked you what you actually said. So yeah, okay. Tack, yeah. So no, it wasn't tack, it is tank. Alright.
Tank.
What after tank?
Top.
Come
Tank top.
on. Perfect. Top. Okay. And the last one, you're on. Come on.
Top.
Let is 3 letters. This is 5 letters. Come on. Top.
Top letter.
Letter is 6 letters. This is 5 letters.
That's why I was going to say top letter, but I'm like top letter. No.
You guys kind of close. But then what else could it be with top?
Top.
Okay, these are like this particular word is like stages that we play in a game. It's also another word for
Level.
stage.
Level.
Top level. Yes, awesome. So these guys, this was their word chain. Did you guys enjoy playing it? Yeah.
Yes.
Was it difficult?
No.
No.
Yes.
Why did you need so many clues there?
Because we could
Okay.
not think of it.
That's okay. I mean, see, when you watch it, it makes it much easier to actually, say, "Arey, this was so easy. You could have told it easily." But when you actually sit here and play, when you realize it wasn't that easy. Okay, so guys, this was their word chain. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our regular quizzes and videos. Until then, we'll see you soon.
Bye.
As usual, she wants to say bye first, but until then, we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.